Flybar Jolt Pogo Stick, Rainbow. For kids age 5 and up, between 40 to 80 pounds. A wonderful starter Flybar Pogo Stick at a great price. Flybar Pogos continue to be the standard by which all Pogos are measured. Great for development. Screen-free activity to help children develop balance, muscle tone and coordination on their first Pogo Stick. Foam-covered. Foam-covered hand grips and sturdy foam-covered metal frame provide comfort and protection in a safe and colorful way. Available in an assortment of cool designs. Easy jumping. Wide bounce tip and wide non-slip foot pads for increased control. Ideal for beginners who are just getting into the Flybar Pogo fun. No assembly required. The Jolt comes ready to bounce straight out of the box, so kids will be jumping in seconds. Remember to wear your Flybar helmet and protective gear. Always bounce within your abilities. Top reviews from the United States. My son loved it. We have 2 of these and they work very well. One we have had well over a year now and it's been left out in severe weather and is still doing its job as a pogo stick. My boys, 7+8, love these and they seem to last a while. Great gift idea. I got my nephew one as well and he is thrilled. You can't go wrong with this toy.